Hey guys, on today's segment I'm going to make a squash soup with white beans and a side of quinoa, so keep watching. Squash is a slippery vegetable, so please reinforce the cutting board with a lightly damped paper towel. Squash is one of my favorite vegetables, and the great thing is it's in season, so I'll probably make a few more segments, but I wanted to give you some of the health benefits of eating squash. The first thing being that it's rich in vitamin A and C, which is great for your immunity. You know, we're hitting cold season now. It's high in fiber, it's great for digestion, and it makes you feel full. You feel satiated after a meal. Squash is also a healthy comfort food alternative to, let's say, an apple pie. You could roast it, add some cinnamon, maple syrup, a little bit of butter. You could do the same thing with sweet potatoes. It's low in calories, it supports a healthy diet, it's great for your skin because of the vitamin E, and if you're having it during the fall months, it's in season and affordable. After I'm done peeling and scooping out the seeds, I'll cut the squash lengthwise and then cut them again into little cubes. On low to medium heat, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and allow the onions to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Add the garlic and allow that to cook for a minute or two. Add the sweet potato and the spices, a teaspoon of salt, and combine well. Smash the beans until it's a creamy consistency. Add the beans and chicken broth and combine. Once the water comes to a full boil, cover and allow to cook on low heat for 30 minutes. Boil 2 cups of water, add some olive oil. Once the water comes to a boil, add the quinoa and allow to cook uncovered on low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, cover and allow to cook for an additional 5 minutes, then use a fork to fluff the grains. Using a paring knife, mince 10 apricots. Chop and mince some cilantro and parsley. Easy, healthy meal, perfect for the colder months. Thank you again for watching, and if you like what you just saw, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.